All right, he is starting. Okay, so we have 26.2. Timer, enter, start. And then plug in Squamish.
HTOS test OK.
Okay, generator's on. 40, warming up, we're almost ready. Rolling up. Got that. And 118.4.
Tower, it's A-Star Helicopter, Foxtrot Tango Hotel Zulu.
Foxtrot Tango Hotel Zulu, Harbor Tower.
Tango Hotel Zulu running up pad 3. Would like to request departure along the south shoreline, climbing 2,000 feet for Seymour Valley area.
Tango Hotel Zulu, roger. The wind 30011, altimeter 3027, same squawk 5560, advise ready.
5560, ready to go now, Tango Hotel Zulu.
Tango Hotel Zulu, depart via the south shoreline towards Seymour Valley. For now, not about 1,500 feet, the wind 30012, clear for takeoff heliport.
Hey, clear for takeoff heliport, south shoreline, not above 1,500, Tango Hotel Zulu.
And Harbor Tower Helicopter 505 Hotel Mike, running up pad 4 at the heliport, like to depart to the north behind the A-Star.
5 Hotel Mike, Harbor Tower, roger. The wind 30011, altimeter 3027, same squawk 7123, advise ready.
7123, and I'm ready for 5 Hotel Mike.
5 Hotel Mike, not above 1,500 feet, follow the departing A-Star through the south shoreline and clear for takeoff heliport.
Follow the A-Star, not above 1,500, clear the heliport for 5 Hotel Mike.
There's a 908 Harbor Tower, cleared right now, and 1,000 in the zone, approved.
LG9. Harbor Tower, Harbor Express 3 and 4, Eagle Harbor 2000, requesting False Creek Loop.
314 Harbor Tower, altimeter 3027, clear for the False Creek Loop at 2,000.
Afternoon, Harbor Tower, Harbor Express 317, I got Delta, Northwest Slide, I'm off to Victoria, please.
Stand 8 months available.
Okay, was Express 317 going to Ganges or Victoria?
Victoria for 317.
I'll just follow that direction and then we'll break off once we're out of the control zone.
3057.
3057 for Express 317.
Harbor Tower Helicopter 5 Hotel Mike, request to turn to the north.
Climb to 2,000, change on frequency, have a good flight.
Climb to 2,000, my own frequency for 5 Hotel Mike. 123.2, go for it.
Express 303, follow the order to the
Seymour Lake.
5 Hotel Mike is number 2.
Have fun at Widgeon, guys. I'll see you later.
We'll see you later, thanks. Oh, that was so fun.